This foundational series has 13 clips spanning over 2 hours of content to help you guys start from the very first time you end up in the MATLAB environment all the way to when you're doing advanced plotting, for loops, doing tons of different calculations. This will give you your ultimate starting guide to mastering MATLAB. But I want you to pair this 2-hour series with the MATLAB On-Ramp series, okay? MATLAB puts out their own score of tutorials, which I highly recommend you look at. There's 2 hours in On-Ramp, and there's 2 hours in my MATLAB Foundations course. Together, guys, that's 4 hours of content. If you set aside a Saturday to do all this work, I promise you, you will absolutely kill your MATLAB courses and easily apply this to any class that you're doing in the engineer curriculum. As you go through these tutorials, I want you to keep 2 strategies in mind. The first being progress amidst ambiguity. There's no number of books that you can read that will make you a great programmer to start. There's no number of videos that you can watch that will make you an amazing programmer to start. You have to apply, and you have to get that knowledge that you gain when you put yourself out there and when you try something new, okay? You're going to have coding errors. You're going to have syntax errors. Keep trying to make little wins, okay? Get these small wins and keep making progress amidst the ambiguity. You don't need to understand every little bit of thing that MATLAB's doing in the background, that the interpreter's doing, but keep moving forward, keep making progress, and I promise you that that will allow you to learn significantly better than if you just stopped and gave up and tried to read something about it, okay? Keep making progress amidst ambiguity. The second item to keep in mind as you're going through these tutorials is comment questions that you have. Ask me, email me. My email's at the bottom of the screen, philsbeginnercode@gmail.com. I'm here to help you guys out. I check this channel daily, and I will respond to any comments and questions you guys have. I'm here to help and be your guide through MATLAB. Good luck out there. Have fun. Try things. Be afraid of nothing out there, okay? This is your chance to learn this language, and it'll be your starting point to growing your success as an engineer and as a programmer in the future. All the best.